Disasters strike hard, and most of the time, unexpectedly, damaging properties and disrupting operations. One call to Rolyn is all it takes to send you on the road to recovery.
As one of the nation's leading specialty contractors, Rolyn has the skilled manpower, resources, and equipment of a large company while delivering the personal services of a small firm.
We have over 100,000 square feet of warehouse space and 150 full-time employees, and a network of thousands of skilled technicians nationwide. Our response efforts are completely scalable to meet your emergency needs. Rolyn's thousands of pieces of company-owned mitigation equipment and 150 emergency response vehicles remain available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to respond to your emergency or disaster.
We have offices located in Pennsylvania, the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area, Virginia, North Carolina, Georgia, Florida, and Texas. Throughout the country, we have a network of strategic partners. We are ready when you need us, where you need us.
I'm proud to say that Rolyn has been around for more than 3 decades, providing emergency and remediation services to many different types of industries, such as residential communities, commercial, industrial, educational, healthcare, government, and hospitality.
Rolyn offers the latest green, eco-friendly solutions. What sets us apart is our leading technology in infection control and decontamination, killing mold, mold spores, bacteria, bacterial spores, and viruses.
Our staff needs to possess a wide variety of skills and experience. Through our training institute, Rolyn has developed academic and practical training to help them prepare for this. Our courses cover everything from OSHA standards, HIPAA regulations, fire, water, and mold remediation.
We understand that every minute your facility is closed, revenues are being lost. We restore, we reconstruct, and we minimize downtime.
We have the manpower, equipment, and financial resources of a national company. We have the responsiveness and personal service you expect from a smaller firm.
And our operations team is second to none. When they go out to a job, that job's going to be done on time, on budget, and there's going to be a happy client.
Rolyn has built state-of-the-art cleaning facilities. Along with our strategic partners, we have the ability to successfully inventory, salvage, and restore items damaged after a loss. This includes photo inventories, which document the condition of the items, as well as the transport back to the warehouse where the contents are unpackaged, examined, and restored, often better than they were prior to the loss.
I'm proud to say that we put our clients first. There's nothing like moving a family back into their home or moving a business back into their facility so they can get back in operations.
One call to Rolyn is all it takes to send you on the road to recovery.
We're in business.
We're in business.
We are in business.
We're in business
To keep you
to keep you in business.
To keep you in business.